Welcome to Coffee Shop Management System project. This project is developed in Visual Basic 6.0 as front end, MS Access as backend. I am going to run the project and explain the modules of this project. This project has login module. In this module, the administrator will enter the username and password. If the username and password are correct, it will open the next form. The coffee details module. In this module, all the coffee product details, its price and its description are added. The details can be modified or deleted by the administrator. The customer module. The customer module is used to add customer details, customer name, address, phone number and email. The details can be modified or deleted by the administrator. Dealer module. In this module, the dealer details are added or deleted or modified by the administrator. The sales module. Enter the sales details. The receipt module. Provide the sales receipt. And purchase module is used to purchase the coffee products from the dealers. Report module display the required reports for this project: coffee reports, customer reports, dealer reports, sales report and purchase reports. Now I am going to execute the project. Let us go to the project folder. This is the project folder. This folder contains project forms and data reports and the databases and the images required for the project. This is the project and I am opening the project. Now the project is opened. The project has the following forms: Form 1, Form 2, Form 3 till Form 10 and an MDI form. The project has data environment and 5 data reports for each database table. This project is connected to MS Access database. The MS Access database. This is the MS Access database. I am opening that. Now the database is opened. The database has 5 tables: coffee, dealers, sales, purchase and customers. The coffee table contains coffee name, price and description. Dealers table contains dealer name, address, phone number, email. Sales table contains sales ID, customer name, coffee name, price, number of units, total price and sales date. The purchase module contains purchase ID, dealer name, coffee name, price, number of units, total price and purchase date. The customer module contains customer name, address, phone number and email. These are the 5 tables available in this project. When we enter some details in the project, all details are stored in this table. Now I am closing it. I am going to execute the project. To execute the project, we have to click on the start button. Now the project is opened. This is the first form. This is the login form. The user has to enter the username and password. The username and passwords are admin for this project. If you type the password or username as wrong, then when you click it, it will say invalid user. If you enter it correctly, it will open the next MDI form. This is the MDI form. This MDI form contains a menu. The menu contains each link. Each link is linked to the required forms. Now the coffee module. I am clicking add new coffee. This form is used to add a new coffee details to the project. Now I enter some coffee details. The coffee name is green coffee 200 ml. I am giving the price 40 rupees. Description: Now I click create. The details are successfully saved in the database. Reset will empty the text boxes. Exit. So this is how we can add coffee details in the project, and I can edit the details or delete. Now I can select the added coffee, green coffee 200 ml. I can change the price 40 to 50. Update. The details will be updated in the database. If I want to delete the coffee, I can delete it from here. Exit form. So this is the coffee details, and now I come to customers. Add customers. We can add new customers for this project. I am adding a customer name, Kannan. Address. Phone number. If the phone number is not in text format and email ID is not properly formatted, the system will show error message. Phone number must be digits and email ID is not valid. Now enter phone number and email ID. Create. The phone number must be 10 digits. The error is coming. Now I click create. Successfully created. The dealer details, the customer details are saved in the database. Now I can edit or delete the customer that I have created. The Kannan is a customer name I have created. I can change the phone number and update. The customer details are updated. Exit. If I want to delete, I can delete using this button. Exit. Now I am going to dealer details. Add dealer. I can add a new dealer to this project. Trichy dealer. Address. Phone number must be 10 digits and email ID should be in proper format. Create. The details are saved. Exit. Edit. I can change the dealer details. Trichy dealer. I can change the phone number. Update. The dealer details can also be deleted. Exit. Now I have completed coffee, customers and dealer. Now I am into sales. Coffee sales. First I have to select the customer name. I am selecting Kannan. Then I have to select the coffee name. I am selecting the green coffee that I have added. The price is displayed automatically 50 rupees and the description is also displayed. I am selecting the quantity 2. Its total cost is 100. It is automatically calculated. The bill number and the date is automatically displayed in this form. Now click save. The details are saved. Now the receipt is generated automatically. Coffee shop receipt, date, bill number, amount from purchase of 2 quantities of green coffee. So print. We can also print using the print button. Now if any printer is installed, it will automatically print it. This system doesn't have installed any printer, so it is not working. Now I am going to purchase. Coffee purchase. Select the dealer name. Trichy dealer. Coffee name, that is green coffee, 50 rupees, and the description also displayed. I am selecting 5 quantities. Save. The bill number and the date of purchase is automatically displayed, and I am going to save it. It is saved successfully. Exit. So now we have completed all the process. Now we are going to see the reports. The coffee reports. In this form, all the coffee details are displayed as reports. Coffee name, price and description. Customer reports. Customer name, address, phone number and email are displayed in these reports. Dealer reports. All dealer details, dealer name, address, phone number, email are displayed in this report. Sales report. Sales ID, customer name, coffee name, price, number of units, total price and sales date are displayed in this report. Purchase report. Purchase ID, coffee name, price, number of units, total price and purchase date also are displayed in this report. So these are the project concepts. Now this project is developed to students. So how to make this project? We have developed a step-by-step guidance for making this project. How to create a login form and how to code the login form and how to create coffee details. You can use this coffee details for any product. You can add product details, edit or delete, customer details, dealer details, sales. You can make this project, modify this project for any product, like you can make it for hotel management system, hospital management system and any selling system. You can use this project. And receipt, you can also generate receipt. Sales, you can also make sales, purchase and you can generate reports according to your requirements. The coffee requirement, instead of coffee requirements, we can develop paper requirements for paper company. We can develop the reports for machine reports for machinery companies. Like that we can develop this project as we require. This project guidance is developed into a book. The book contains each and every steps from the scratch. This project is developed from the beginning, from the scratch and till the complete reports generation is made into a book. The book link is given in the description. You can purchase the book from Amazon and you can make this project completely from the beginning. The students can easily understand the projects and they can develop the project by themselves. The database connections, from how to create database, how to create tables and how to connect the database into the project, how to make menus in the MDI form, how to create a login form and how to make the coding, and how to make a product form and how to make the coding, and how to validate the form. If the field is empty, it should say error message. If the field is not filled properly, like phone number must be 10 digits, it will say error message. If the field does not provide a proper email, the system will say so error message. So every code is created and explained in that book. So you can purchase the book and you can use it for your final year project and you can make your project yourself. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Please share this video for your friends if you feel that it will be useful for them. Thank you very much.